and put it in their pockets. So unless we are expanding to the border and to Uganda and to other countries, Mr. Speaker, that investment by selling it is not going to help the country at all. And any other state corporations be sold for this particular matter, I think is totally misguided. We just need to lower the cost of living in the country, make sure investors come to our country, they invest here, make sure the local investors' cost of power is reduced, we invest around, we'll have created enough jobs for our people, they'll pay taxes, and our country will prosper, Mr. Speaker. But selling every single asset of the country to raise money, Mr. Speaker, without having made sure that corruption is stopped in the country is a waste of time. A lot of money is lost to corruption daily in billions. Unless we make sure that EFCC is strengthened, those who have stolen from the state return or face jail. For countries like China to prosper, Mr. Speaker, there is a death sentence for a corrupt person. But there are so many cases pending at EFCC. Very few have been prosecuted by the DPP. The DPP has its role. EFCC investigates. If the investigation is not up to standard, Mr. Speaker, any corrupt person will be acquitted and the monies will never be recovered for the benefit of the state. So our biggest problem, and even what Singapore dealt with first, what Malaysia dealt with first, was corruption. And unless we deal with corruption, Mr. Speaker, whatever sweet things, whatever sweeteners we put about the development in this country, Mr. Speaker, will never happen. Even the said development, Mr. Speaker, is done with the partners, PPPs, and even countries who want to partner with us. The dual carriage to Mombasa from Nairobi was meant to be done 4 or 5 years ago by the American companies. Mr. Speaker, after some time, things seem to be changing. The American companies of today are ready, but the government started shifting to China, where they can get contractors, probably will be able to collude with 1 or 2 engineers or other people who are going to do this. And we want this dual carriage to begin because we have already partnered, Mr. Speaker. We should really allow the Americans to do the dual carriage. We should go into public-private partnerships, and I'm sure we'll do the highways. Mr. Speaker, you cannot do 50 dams, meaning a dam per a county, a big one, and also maybe another one to supplement the water for supply to Nairobi in one of the neighboring countries, counties, Mr. Speaker. If Thwake Dam has never been completed, Mr. Speaker, it is really ridiculous for there not to be a budget for Thwake Dam, for the government funding not to have been taken to Thwake Dam, and we keep on borrowing, Mr. Speaker, keep on having cowboy contractors who steal the borrowed money, Mr. Speaker, and it's shared with the senior government officials, and then you expect, Mr. Speaker, that we do 50 dams in this country, Mr. Speaker. Let's complete Thwake Dam, which is 96%, Mr. Speaker. The road Tamaki, most of the proposed roads, Mr. Speaker, are only 20 kilometers, Mr. Speaker. In the case of Ukia Emali in Makueni, 20 kilometers, Mr. Speaker, gets to a place called Matiriku. The remaining journey, which connects to the other Tamaki Road and to Watertown, Mr. Speaker, if it's not done at all and it has a bridge, no bridges and the heavy rivers block the roads during the rainy season, Mr. Speaker, it will be a waste of time. So, Mr. Speaker, I will propose that the country be...
Senator